Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 8th of February 2021 to 14th February 2021. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign. Keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your ascendant sign. Let's talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants this whole week from 8th of February 2021 to 14th February 2021. Mars transit in your 10th house in Aries sign. And Saturn is arise in your 7th house from 8th of Feb. You will definitely get a lot of business proposals. You may start something new, but Mercury is retrograde. I would suggest you don't start anything new. You will get a lot of opportunities. There is no doubt. A lot of people try to start any new business with you, but when Mercury is retrograde, it's not a right time to do anything, good, anything, start new. So avoid this time, and your source of earning will develop. There is no doubt. If you are businessman, if you are shopkeeper, trader, manufacturer, if you're factory owner, then this whole week brings a lot of happiness, positivity. And if you are a stockbroker, you will get a lot of good gains from stock market during this week. Cancer, this whole week, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will get a lot of financial gains, and some unexpected money will knock you. Your savings will rise, and you will plan some holiday with your family or friends. Aries, Monday and Tuesday, you need to perform your best. Put 100% efforts at your workplace. You will definitely get a lot of advantage. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be on sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, good fortune active for you. You will be happy with your good fortune, because you may met someone. He or she will give you a lot of good advice to improve yourself, improve your personality, improve your business, and you will feel very blessed on Wednesday and Thursday. These 2 days will be a biggest game changer for you. If you do something related to yourself, then Wednesday and Thursday will be a very, very rewarding days for you. And your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. They are very, very satisfied. The way you are doing work, the way you have put your 100% efforts, you will definitely sky high, Cancer. You just need to perform your best. Stop thinking too much. Just perform your best. Do your 100% efforts. By the grace of God, you will achieve a lot of goals. Friday and Saturday, you will spend very good time on weekend with your family and friends. Younger siblings will give you some gifts, or you may receive some token of love from your family side, or you may go for some holidays with your family and friends. This weekend, from 8th of Feb to 14th Feb, the weekend will be ultimate for you, when you feel much relaxed and better, and you will enjoy all comforts. All around success are there. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. Leo Sanders this whole week from 8th February 2021 to 14th Feb 2021. You need to be careful and alert. Don't sign any new documents. Don't sign any new deal. Good fortune is in your favor, there is no doubt. But try to avoid any new activity. People try to cheat you. People try to, if you give your money to someone, you never get back. So this whole week from 8th Feb to 14th Feb, you don't start anything new. Don't try to give your money to anyone. Monday and Tuesday, little bit struggling days for you. You're not feeling comfortable. You're not feeling happy. Some unexpected tension are there, and you're feeling very low and down without any reason. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy a lot of good moments at your workplace. Your seniors and your colleagues will be satisfied from your performance. But Leo, just need to perform your best and read this mantra whole week. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Surya Nama. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Surya Nama. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Surya Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. Otherwise, you will face a lot of up and down. Mentally, you are not feeling happy. Mentally, you are not feeling positive, because Monday and Tuesday struggling in the terms of your mind, in the terms of your plannings. Wednesday and Thursday will be a better day compared to Monday and Tuesday. But don't show your trust on strangers. Don't sign any new document, deal. Don't, put your money in anywhere. Otherwise, you never get back. Wednesday and Saturday will be ultimate days for you, when you feel much relaxed and comfort. But Don't sign any document. Don't show your trust on stranger. I'm telling you, Leo, again and again, this whole week brings a lot of opportunities to start something new, but you don't start because this is not very productive time, because Mercury is retrograde. So I would suggest you, to every of ascendants, don't put your money anywhere. Don't start anything new this whole week because Mercury is retrograde. There is no doubt Saturn is arise from 8th of Feb. You will get very good opportunities. You can keep that opportunity in your mind, and when Mercury is direct, then you may start anything new. You may put your money, but this whole week you will be in a deep thought about your life, about your past, present, future. You're thinking a lot. Stop thinking too much. Just chant mantra Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama and must read Aditya Hriday Stotra. You will feel much relaxed and better. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. Virgo ascendants, this whole week, some new opportunities will knock you. If you want to start something new, this is the right time. Some foreign opportunities will knock you. If you investing your money in foreign land, this is the ultimate time, Virgo. But Mercury, your ascendant lord, is retrograde. No, you need to be careful. Don't think too much. Don't spend your money as a unexpected expenditures, because some unexpected expenditures will irritate you this whole week. From 8th of Feb to 14th Feb, you will feel unbalancing situation in your savings and your expenditures. You're not feeling comfort zone. You're feeling a lot of up and down because situation is not in your favor. Sometimes you're feeling very low. Mentally, you're not feeling strong because planetary position is not in favor and your ascendant lord is retrograde. It will show some delay in your professional life. It will show some hurdles in your professional life. Just keep calm and read this mantra. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Sah Buddhaya Nama. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Sah Buddhaya Nama. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Sah Buddhaya Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. And try to donate some money as a charity to needy people on Wednesday. You will feel much relaxed and better. Monday and Tuesday, a little bit struggling days for you when you are not feeling fresh. You're feeling very low energy. You may feel uncomfort. You're feeling very depressed, but don't think too much. I'm telling you again and again, near future when your ascendant lord is direct, you will feel excellent because Jupiter Saturn going to give you a lot of blessings in your 5th house in Pancham Bhav. You will get a lot of money in 2021. You will get a lot of business opportunities. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity in the year of 2021. So this week will be a little bit struggling related to your mind. Just focus on your things, do your wonders. You will definitely achieve lot of good goals. I'm praying for your happy future and must give some money as a charity to needy people on Wednesday. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.